In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set notifications in HubSpot. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. As you navigate through the HubSpot interface, look towards the top navigation bar, where you'll find a settings icon. This is your gateway to customizing your HubSpot experience, including setting up your notifications. Click on the settings icon and direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to controlling how and where you receive updates from HubSpot. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the options available. Within the notification settings, you'll notice there are several tabs at your disposal: Email and Desktop, Other Apps, and Mobile App. Each of these tabs allows you to manage notifications for different types of devices, ensuring that you only receive notifications in the manner that suits you best. For instance, if you check your emails regularly, you might want to focus on the Email and Desktop tab. However, if you're often on the move, the Mobile App tab would be more relevant. See what works for you, and explore each section to tailor the experience according to your needs. Once you've chosen the preferred device type, it's time to decide what exactly you want to get notified about. Within the section aptly named What You Get Notified About, you're presented with a range of options. You have the ability to search for specific notification types if you already have certain preferences in mind. But if you're not quite sure, don't worry. You can expand categories to see all available options. This is a great way to ensure you don't miss any notifications critical to your workflow, while also eliminating those that might flood your devices unnecessarily. Take your time as you enable or disable different notifications. It's crucial to find a balance that keeps you informed without becoming overwhelming. Remember, these settings aren't carved in stone. As your needs change, you can always revisit this area to tweak your settings further. Ultimately, how you choose your notifications is all about optimizing efficiency and ensuring that you have the information you need right at your fingertips, no matter where you are or what you're doing. And there you have it, your simple guide to managing notifications within HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll ensure you're always up to date with the information that matters most to you. Consistently managing your notifications can streamline your workday, improve your response times, and ultimately boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you maximize your HubSpot experience.